There's too many X's. All right, friends. Did anybody figure out the application of this one? Tell me your name again, too. Emily, go. Go for it.
Is it knots? Determining knots? Like
K-N-O-T-S? Like in a sailboat? I don't know. Go for it.
Aircraft? I have no idea.
Go for it. I don't know. Maybe. Go ahead. I wasn't thinking of that.
That's it.
Oh, that's it. Well, I don't know how to do that, so I'm going to say no.
Okay.
A knot is a nautical mile per hour. It's a little bit different than a mile per hour. If you're in a boat, everything becomes nautical. They won't say turn right. They'll go turn to port. You can't turn left. It's turn starboard. I think I even got those wrong. I'm pretty sure I got those wrong. It's bow. You mean the front? No, I mean the bow. And speeds are different. You don't go miles per hour. You go knots, and a knot is 1.1 mile per hour. We're cruising 17 knots. Not that you multiply by 1.1, figure out how fast that is. So I wasn't thinking of that though. Brittany.
Are you talking about like if you were your hand was your thumb, so if you're far away from somewhere and you scale your thumb to like you're like looking at it.
Brittany, if you'd stand up, that'd be great. Stand up if you don't mind. I need to know how tall Brittany is. So I back up until I can cover her entire body. Her feet are at the base of my thumb. Her head, tip of my thumb. So, Brittany's head, Brittany's feet, top of my thumb, bottom of my thumb. Now, the trick with this one is, it might be kind of hard to measure because you got to measure this little tiny thing. You don't do that. I simply then drop my thumb 90 degrees to the side like this, and have her walk out until she's at the tip of my thumb. And then have her backtrack how far she walked, and that's how tall she is. Now, this is kind of dumb for a person. It's dumb for a person, because I could just ask Brittany, how tall are you? But if I have to measure a tree, you see, shoo, walk out, walk out, walk out. The person has walked out. They've walked out the height of the tree now, because they've walked out your thumb. They backtrack back. That's how big the tree is. Yeah.
Is this like surveying?
Basically, it's like a poor man's way of surveying without using a transit and a tape and everything. Well, you have to use a tape, but no transit and no big stick. It's a slick way of getting the height of something, like a cliff or, like I said, a mountain, a tree usually, or a flagpole, something along those lines. Yeah.
Oh yeah, like how you can measure how far you are from the horizon.
Exactly. All kinds of surveying tricks. And they're all based on similar triangles. Most of them. I shouldn't say they all are. This is actually based on congruent, which is super similar triangles. But it's all like that synapse of similar triangles. So it's pretty rad. So thank you, Brittany, for the activity. So anyway, that's what I was going to have you go outside today to do. But it's okay, because the weather wasn't perfectly cooperative with the sun. It made for a great sunrise, not so much similar triangle analysis. Cool? How we doing? Doing all right? Good, good. All right. Now I mentioned earlier that when I looked at Washington